Although there are so many online coaching business mentors popping up in the market like popcorn, but 90% of them are just broke. They struggle to survive themselves in the market. I'm talking about the mentors, online coaching mentors who claim themselves to be the coach or mentor for the coaches. Why they actually struggle? Because some promise, I'll give you 100x growth at your coaching business through Facebook ad. Other says, I'll give you 10x growth to your coaching business through organic marketing. Some claim, I'll scale your coaching business to 100x using my system and process. And other boast, I'll 10x your offer and scale your online coaching business to 100x. And some of them even says, I'll teach you how to sell premium ticket, how to sell, it's a high ticket and scale your coaching business to 1000x overnight. But they themselves actually struggle to survive in the market. It's my personal observation of the market. Most of them give just one fragment of online coaching business, which alone can't take your online coaching very far. Then what they should actually offer? They should actually offer the impact. They should say straightforward that I'm going to create XYZ impact in your life, or I can help you create XYZ impact in your audience, in your community. Impact, please understand, impact is the ultimate thing that is demanded. Is the impact that you are able to create that makes your online coaching business successful predictably. Impact is equal to success. Bigger is the impact, bigger is the success, smaller is the impact, smaller is the success. So if you want to be predictably successful in online coaching business, you have to be able to create predictable impact in people's life. For that, you need to have an impact creation ecosystem. And this ecosystem has got 6 essential components. I'm going to tell you about that right now. If you have these 6 essential components in your coaching ecosystem, you become successful with predictability and confidence. So what are these 6 components of this impact creation ecosystem of coaching business? First one is impactful product or measurable impact. Second is the irresistible offer for effortless selling. Third is marketing system and skills to attract your right audience. Fourth is sales system and skills for selling your offer to the largest scale. Fifth is effective delivery system and skill for transferring impact to the audience. And sixth is effective support system to guide and support your audience throughout their journey. If you have all the 6 essential components in your coaching business, you are going to be successful. Otherwise, you are going to be failed either in beginning stage or in the middle stage or even in advanced stage of your business. Majority of the experts miss either one or many of them. They keep struggling because of that. But they still keep pushing themselves and trying to sell themselves in the market.